Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here, and what we have here today is a Kmart, Alaska. Is black and brass, 3 speeds, electrically reversible. Got this from Habitat. As you may notice on the switch housing there, it's antique brass. Well, it used to be a antique brass and polished brass fan. Decided to just put the black and brass parts from the other Alaska on this. Shades are not original because I misplaced the original shades. So, fun. Yeah, that's basically what happened. Yeah. They would be clear. But for the black and brass ones, they would be frosted like this. But those shades are breezeway shades. So, yeah. Starting off with the light. The Bay Breeze as well. I should see how much this is drawing. It's drawing 1 amp. Power factor of 1. Ooh, 118 watts. Anyways, low without the light. Not gonna bother showing the light though. Adjust the camera. Feel air on low. There's low speed and it's drawing 0.1 amp. 6 watts. 0.53 of a power factor. Alright, medium. Let's turn off that new fan real quick. Feels some air from it. We're drawing 0.17 amps. 20 watts. 0.95 of power factor. Oops. I don't know what I kicked. I was doing the pull chain. And full power. Don't think very many people I don't think black and brass is a common finish for these. Here we're drawing 0.4 amps. 48 watts. Basically a power factor of 1. Okay. Make sure the variable speed's off. Can't really get to the reverse switch with this current setup in the workshop. So I'm not gonna bother showing reverse. spin down's probably the longest part of the whole video. That's how it is most of the time. Still going. I wonder how long I'm going to be sitting here for. Okay, and it stopped. Now variable speed. Stop it real quick. There we go. That's the lowest setting I can get. Ooh, that's noisy. Ugh, yikes. Full power right there. Alright. Now we'll do 0 to high and that'll be it. Also gotta do our flow test as well. Alright, 0 to high. You start off at 0.4. There's no inrush, okay. Also, I finally got a new ceiling box, so I can actually test fans again. Even though I have already. Well, let's test the airflow. Not really feeling anything in a distance. Underneath it though, get a slight breeze. It's pretty quiet without the variable speed. Well, that's all we got for today, folks. Have a rest of your day, folks, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, have a rest of your day, folks, and peace. More videos to come.